Captain Chris Crunch, with a twinkle in his eye, sails the open seas, a seagull swing high. Taylor the sailor, his partner in crime, they hunt for treasure both fantastical and prime. The crew of sea dogs, with tails and a bark, they steer the ship through water so dark. Dogs dressed as pirates, a peculiar sight, they bring the fight under moonlit nights. Gold is sweet, but berries are finer. Their fruity meat is much diviner. We eat until we are buried alive. The secrets of the juice makes them thrive. With berries ripe in baskets piled high, the crew sets sail toward the purple sky. Not for gold coins or a jeweled crown, but for the juice's charm in the pirate town. Sweet tangy treasure hidden deep in the grove, refreshing pleasure is the pirate's trove. Trees laden heavy with nature's glow, berries are plenty in the land they sow. Captain Chris and Taylor, they make a mighty pair. Through storms and gale they go anywhere. Salty sea dogs bark, leading the way for buried treasure in the light of day. Gold is sweet, but berries are finer. Their fruity meat is much diviner. We eat until we are buried alive. The secrets of the juice makes them thrive. Gold is sweet, but berries are finer. Their fruity meat is much diviner. We eat until we are buried alive. The secrets of the juice makes them thrive. Juice makes them thrive. With berries ripe in baskets piled high, the crew sets sail towards the purple sky. Not for gold coins or a jeweled crown, but for the juice's charm in the pirate town. Sweet tangy treasure